Ever since OpenClaw hit the scene, the AI agent space has exploded, and one tool that genuinely caught my attention is the Nanobot AI agent, which I have running right here on my phone. It is incredibly lightweight, works on virtually any Android device, and all you need is 4 gigabytes of RAM and a bit of free storage. Now, here is the cool part. I connected it to my Telegram and built a simple chatbot UI with it, which you can see on screen right now. You can literally vibe code from your phone, no laptop or PC needed. The agent spins up a localhost URL so you can preview your code live, and right now a fully functional Streamlit chatbot app is running locally inside my phone without a single issue, and I have barely scratched the surface. Tell it to build a website and it just starts executing. So, what exactly is Nanobot? It is an ultra-lightweight AI assistant inspired by OpenClaw and Claudebot, delivering full agent functionality in just 4,000 lines of code. That is 99% smaller than OpenClaw's 430,000 lines. Same power, drastically smaller footprint. It follows the same OpenClaw workflow and connects with Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and more. To get started, install Termux from F-Droid. All the links you need are in the description below. Alright, let's get into the setup. The first thing you want to do is open Chrome on your phone and search for Ollama. Pull up the official Ollama website from the search results. Now, here is an important step. Make sure you are logged into your Ollama account before anything else, because Ollama gives us access to free LLMs, and those are what power the Nanobot agent under the hood. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the Termux app you installed from F-Droid. Inside Termux, type in this command, pkg install Ollama, then hit enter. This will begin downloading and installing Ollama directly onto your device. When that is done, fire up the Ollama server by running this command, Ollama serve. Once the server is up and running, open a fresh Termux session by tapping that 3-dot menu at the bottom of the screen. For this setup, I am personally going with the Kimi K2 model to power my agent. If you want to follow along with the same model, just type the command shown on screen right now into your Termux terminal. I will include a few alternative model options in the description, so you can pick whatever works best for you. After running that, the system will generate a link to connect your device with the Ollama server. Copy that command and paste it directly into Chrome. Hit the connect button, and just like that, your connection is established. Head back into Termux and rerun that same command one more time just to confirm your LLM is responding correctly. Everything looking good? Perfect. Now, let's open a brand new Termux session and keep moving. Next, navigate to the repository. I have linked it in the description for quick access. Once you are there, copy the very first command. This is the one that configures Termux and prepares it for the installation. Paste that command into your Termux terminal, press enter, and when it asks you to confirm, just type Y and let it do its thing. Once that completes, head back to the repository and grab the second command, the update command this time. Paste that one into Termux as well and let it run. This step handles installing all the required dependencies for Nanobot. When it finishes, return to the repository one more time and copy the git clone command. Paste it into Termux and hit enter. This pulls the entire Nanobot repository straight onto your device. Now, grab the pip install command from the repository. Paste that into Termux and run it. This is the step that actually installs the Nanobot AI package and gets everything wired up. Once that wraps up successfully, switch over to your Telegram app and search for BotFather. Open it up. Send the message /newbot to get the bot creation process started. It will ask you to give your bot a display name. so go ahead and enter one. Next, you will need to set a unique username for your bot. Just keep in mind it has to end with the word bot. After that, BotFather will hand you your Telegram bot token. Keep that somewhere safe because you are going to need it in just a moment. It will also give you a direct link to access your newly created bot. Now that everything is in place, head back to the repository one final time and copy the JSON configuration command. This is what sets up the agent's core config file. Paste it into Termux, and before you hit enter, edit the command to replace the placeholder token with your actual Telegram bot token, just like you see me doing on screen. Once that looks right, go ahead and press enter. Your configuration is now locked in. The last step is to copy the Nanobot gateway command from the repository. Paste it into Termux and press enter. Give it just a few seconds and your Nanobot gateway will initialize and come online successfully. The moment it is up, jump into Telegram and you will find your Nanobot agent ready and waiting. From here, you can start interacting with it, building with it, and pushing it to its limits. And that is a wrap for today. If this walkthrough helped you get your agent up and running, make sure to drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you hit any snags during the setup or something is not working the way it should, do not hesitate to leave a comment below. I check them regularly, and I am always happy to help you troubleshoot.